Sun. The Sun is a young star in which actively burns hydrogen. The Sun provides energy to the Earth. The Sun is the largest object within the solar system, where it has a diameter of 1,309,000 kilometers and takes up 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. The Sun has a core temperature of 15.6 million Kelvin and is approximately 4.5 billion years old. Since the Sun's birth, it has used up half the hydrogen within its core, meaning it will keep radiating for another 5 billion years or more. Eventually, though, the Sun will run out of hydrogen. The Earth's rotation around the Sun. It takes the Earth 365 days to orbit the Sun, where it orbits in an ellipse formation. Because the Earth is orbiting in ellipse formation, this means at some point the Earth is closer to the Sun, meaning also at some point it is furthest from the Sun. This results in our seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. This may be true for the southern hemisphere, but not for the northern. The largest contributor is actually the 23-degree tilt that the Earth is on. The direct of the Earth's tilt will change in relation to the Sun, creating different seasons in the northern and southern hemisphere. For example, within the northern hemisphere in June they receive summer, for the Earth axis points towards the Sun. The direct rays from the Sun are shining right on the northern hemisphere. Within December, the Earth's axis points most away from the Sun, creating winter in the northern hemisphere. It is receiving the least amount of sun rays. The angle of the Sun also has an impact on the seasons, summer and winter. In summer, the angle of the Sun is higher, giving us longer days, where this allows the Sun more time to heat the Earth. Within winter, the angle of the Sun is lower, therefore resulting in shorter days, not allowing the Sun to heat the Earth. When the Sun reaches its lowest and highest point within the solar system, it is known as a solstice. A solstice occurs twice a year in both summer and winter. Also occurring twice a year is an equinox. An equinox occurs in the months of March and September, creating the seasons spring and autumn. An equinox is created when the Sun is shining on the equator. Because the Earth's orbit around the Sun does not ever change, we know we are going to get each season. The Sun is quite extraordinary in ways that it provides Earth with light and energy. The way it controls what season we experience. The Earth too, however, is also extraordinary. With each year, it makes 584 million mile journey around the Sun. It makes this journey while spinning at an amazing 64,000 miles per hour on its tilted axis. For the Earth is spinning on its tilted axis, it gives off many illusions to us on Earth, like sunrise and sunset. As the Earth rotates, the day side starts to turn away from the Sun, which makes us to believe that the Sun is going down, known as sunset. Sunrise is the opposite of this, where the night side is getting closer to the Sun, which is shining down on Earth. The Earth's rotation is what gives this illusion. Sunlight is always shining on the Earth. It doesn't go anywhere, it just cannot reach both sides of the Earth at the same time, giving us nighttime and daytime. The Moon and how it reflects the light. The Moon is the Earth's natural light satellite and is 4.6 billion years old. The Moon is on the same rotation as Earth, meaning the same side will always be facing the Earth. The Moon has a diameter of 3,475 kilometers and has a mass of 73, 476, 730, 924, 573, 500 million kilograms. It lays 384,400 kilometers from Earth, where it takes 27.3 days to orbit the Earth. The Moon is the second brightest object within the sky, but the light we see is not carried from the Moon but the Sun. The Moon reflects the light of the Sun, for the Moon is quite black and only about 3% of the Sun's light shines on the Moon is reflected, but this is plenty light to night out the sky. The Moon is also a major influence on the Earth's water tides. The tides are caused by gravitational interaction between the Earth and Moon. The attraction of the Moon causes the oceans to bulge in the direction of the Moon. This happens also on the opposite side, where another bulge occurs. Since the Earth is being pulled towards the Moon, since the Earth rotates, we get two tides each day. Between the Earth, Sun and Moon, they have the greatest impacts on our lives. The Earth is of course where we live and breathe. The Sun warms up our planets, and with the Moon creates water tides. By Cassie Fiden, 1151653, Experience Science Assessment 3.